Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Fraz. I am from Department of Physics, Allama Iqbal Open University, Islamabad. Our project is automatic jalebi making machine. My other group members are Majid Gul, Sadia Sabir, Maynaz Bibi, and Swaat Mahmood. Our project advisor is Professor Dr. Abdul Jalil. In the flow of presentation, we will have introduction, main project, working principle, block diagram, circuit diagram, coding, and Proteus simulation. Firstly, we see introduction. The jalebi making machine's structure has the maximum production capacity of jalebi per hour. It can also be programmed to customize the shape of the jalebi as per customer demand. Moreover, the machine is capable of creating numerous shapes out of any material. Further, this machine is expected to take the food processing industry to new heights of automation, as this will produce better and faster food items. Now we see the main project. The jalebi machine is completely a new product which makes jalebi automatically, reducing the human efforts and time as well. Moreover, this machine is also portable and user friendly as well. Now we look at the working principle. Jalebi machine consists of DC motor, stepper motor, and motor driver IC L298D, microcontroller 8089C51. It has resistor of 40 ohms, kilo ohms. In fact, resistor is used to control the voltage of the DC motor, and DC motor is used to make the circles of jalebi by using funnel. Moreover, the stepper motor is used to move the screw rod forward and backward. Power on the circuit, the stepper motor starts moving the funnel forward and backward. There are two switches used to limit the funnel. When the stepper motor moves the funnel forward and backward, at the same time DC motor circulates the funnel to make the design of the jalebi. Here is the block diagram of the system, in which you clearly see all those things which we were using in our project. You can see microcontroller, which is further connected with motor driver, voltage regulator, and the other two motors. The components are here: microcontroller 89C51, stepper motor, DC motor 11.05 megahertz crystal, capacitors, voltage regulator, connecting wires, motor driver L298D, and resistor. Now we see 8089C51 microcontroller. It is an 8-bit microcontroller. It has 1 to 8 bytes of RAM, 4K bytes EEPROM, 2 timers, 1 serial port, 4 input-output ports, 6 interrupt sources, and it has 40 pins. As earlier you noted the block diagram, you can again look at the block diagram in which you can see the microcontroller connected with the motors. Now you can see pin configuration of the machine. Further, we look at some information about the crystal oscillator. A crystal oscillator is an electronic oscillator that uses the mechanical resonance of a vibrating crystal to create electrical signal. A crystal is used to supply clock frequency to the microcontroller. Moreover, the clock frequency is 11.05 MHz, as I mentioned earlier. Moreover, it is made up of piezoelectric material. Circuit diagram, equivalent circuit of a crystal is clear from the current image. Here we have some information about DC motor. A direct current motor is a rotating electrical device that converts direct current of electrical energy into mechanical energy. Moreover, an inductor coil inside the DC motor produces a magnetic field that creates rotatory motion as DC voltage is applied to its terminal. The addition of a gearhead to a motor reduces the speed while increasing the torque output. Now we have some information about capacitor. A capacitor is a device that stores electrical energy in an electric field. It is a passive electronic component with two terminals. The effect of the capacitor is known as capacitance. Here is some information about the resistor as well. Well, resistor is an electrical component that reduces the electrical current. The resistor's ability to reduce the current is called resistance, and it's measured in the units of ohms. Moreover, if we take an analogy to water flow through pipes, the resistor is a thin pipe that reduces the water flow. Some of Some of the resistors are shown in the figure. Now, as microcontroller works with small voltage and current, but motor use high voltage and current. So for this reason, motor driver ICs are used to provide high current and voltage. Here is the coding of the project as I mentioned earlier. Origin 00H, and the further you can see in this slide. We move forward. Here is the Proteus simulation. This Proteus simulation microcontroller 889C51 is connected with the motor drivers L293D, and the DC motor are connected with this motor, while the another motor driver L293D is connected with the microcontroller, and another stepper motor is connected with the motor driver. In this procedure, uh, one DC motor is moving some way fast, while the other stepper motor is moving in some way and so in slow directions. This is the basic fundamental procedure of Jalebi machine. Thank you.